Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today we have this supposed to be big car show, but it's pretty cold out. It's a high of 55 today. It's called Spring Fever. A couple years ago we had them, or maybe it was more than that, a few years ago, and they were pretty decent. We're hoping for a big turnout, but we don't know. So that's what we're gonna film today. I just cleaned up the 03. So I'll show you that, guys, that quick, just a quick detail. And once we get out of here, we're gonna go home, pack up the stuff. I'm a vendor there, so I'm setting up a little booth with my shop's name and selling some t-shirts and stuff. So I'll show you the car quick, how clean it is, and then next time you see us, we'll probably be at the show setting up. I actually just thought of something quick to do. I don't have the sequentials in this car. It didn't come with them, but I do in my race car, which obviously I don't care if it has sequentials anymore. So I'm gonna rip that kit out quick, put it in here. So it's just a wiring harness and then a flasher, I believe. So we're gonna do that quick before the show. All right, I got the lights out, guys. If you guys never did this kit, this is original, and this is the kit you buy. Plugs right in your factory thing, and I believe this is what controls it to go in sequential. So it's literally just pull your taillight out, switch harnesses, and throw it back in. And then you can also get a flasher, which I'll show you when they're installed, to slow it down, because if you don't do the flasher, it's kind of quick and doesn't look that great. So we'll get this in, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. But yeah, it's literally just this easy. I think I bought mine from American Muscle. My wife got it for me for Christmas. I think at the time they were only like 80 bucks, but now with the world being so crappy, it's probably way more than that. So yeah, that's as simple as that. That's how fast it goes. And if you don't know how to take your taillights out, just watch a video on that. They're pretty easy. Oh, now I screwed up. Taillights in these cars are pretty easy once you get the stuff out of the trunk. There we go. And this is with the kit without the flasher. You can kind of see it's pretty hard to see. From far away when you're driving behind it, from my experience, it's not too bad, but I like the flasher. But I just wanted to show you the kit without the flasher. So now we're about to put the flasher in, and I'll show you it again. And also when you put this kit in, before you put all your trunk stuff back together, test it out just to make sure, because you might have to pull your lights back out. Now we're under the dash. This is what the relay will look like that you get. Right there. And the original one is the yellow one right there. So there's your OBD2 port. It's right above it. I believe it clips in your car, if I remember right. Kind of weird. It's kind of a pain to get your hand up there. I'm gonna get a screwdriver, but once I get it down, I'll show you guys. All right, guys, I got it out. It's this little clip there. It slides onto a bracket and clips. I used a little screwdriver and it came right off. Then I used that same bracket and zip tied the new one. It's a little loose because I don't want the wires tight on the metal and get cut over time. So I just left it loose. If it rattles, I'll figure something out. But you got to do something because this might just fall and dangle down here. I don't like that either. So I just zip tied it up for now. But that's installed. Now let's go take a look. And that is with the flasher. Looks pretty sweet. Doesn't look like it slowed it down much inside, but it did quite a bit. So hope you guys liked the little tutorial. That wasn't planned, but I've been meaning to do it and I had time for once, so it's done. Looks pretty sweet. Starting to get set up. My buddies are on their way. Just got the vendors right now showing up. Should be pretty big, I think. It's still an hour till start and everyone's coming. All right, it's almost 5 now. More people have come. Vendors are all here, I think. I got mine all set up for me. Got the whole crew here. I told my buddy to pop his frunk on the R8, but he said no. But once everyone else comes, I'll do a walkthrough. 4.0 Whipple on this. It's tuned on 91 octane, makes a little over 700. And we got the new one. Alright. More and more cars are coming in. It's just starting. Got the Mach 1, Celine. 69 Camaro. No, it's 68 Camaro. Stuff just keeps coming. Alright guys, we're going to do a walkthrough quick of most of the cars. We probably won't get to all of them because a lot of people stop me to talk, but I'll do what I can. There's those. And then we'll go to the end here. So many cars. This is Spring Fever 2022 for you guys that don't know. Some people leaving already. I waited too long to take a video. Kyle.
How's it going? Oh yeah.
As you guys can see, there's a little bit of everything. Look at that tint, red tint. Half white, half black. It's different. Full carbon front end, that's pretty cool. And I got C8 over there. Diesel Brothers truck. That same Jeep as yesterday. Got Lexus, Camaro, PT Cruiser, lowered. That's pretty cool actually. Here's a Prelude that I painted a year ago. Still looking good. Miata Turbo. That's pretty sweet. Lotus. There's some others. McLaren. Look at this wrap. Now we'll go to the other side. Alright, here's the other side. Look at this wrap on this Lancer. Evo. There's a stack on Dodge. A little bit of everything for everybody. Whatever you like, it's right here. Look at that Miata. Buddy, look at the face on that car. Some supporters right there. OBS. Ooh, a Lightning. Let's go look at the Lightning. Been looking for one of these for a while.
Can I be in your sweet vlog?
Sheesh. It's his car show right there. Good turnout.
Thanks, bud. I appreciate it.
240. Nice one. Mustang here that I've been doing all the work to. Put the hood on, paint the bumper, put the hood pins on.
You didn't have that one. The big old
Corvette, Camaro.
You had that one.
Demon. He's hiding in with all these older cars. Oh, I see some donks we gotta go see. As you can see, this town's a lot of tuners. Still people rolling in. 06. What do you think, Letty?
I like it.
You like it? You want to get ice cream?
Yeah. Look it.
Yeah, hold on. Got the excessive crew. Jesse's Camaro, big old turbo. One of the local favorite Mustangs. This is the Jeep. This thing's dope.
I can start.
A lot of Miatas here, and they're all different. Now it's turbo too. Some more people rolling in. Z01, Honda, GTO. Some donks, dude. There's a donk in town that's on like 30s. He's not here though. This is the whole crew they pulled up together. More Camaros, a lot of Camaros here. Some old Mustangs here. 66, and the 69 fastback. Nice 69. Viper. C5. A couple nice trucks. That's a pretty rare car, I guess it's factory turbo. My buddy Kyle's truck. That's on bags. He doesn't have it down for some reason. That. Another Viper. 69 Camaro. Corvette. A lot of pickups. Look at that rat rod. Gotta get them Cummins in. Oh, bike. RC cars. All right, and then we got some vendors over here. That's gonna wrap it up. Another video down. I would sit out and talk to more people, but it's pretty busy here. I'm a vendor, so I got to be at my booth, but I hope you guys seen all the cars that you like and kind of got a feel for what the car show is about. And if you didn't make it, maybe try next year, because it's only going to keep growing. It was this big of a turnout even with the weather being a high of 55, so keep that in mind.
What the frick?